Hello guys, today we have this 800 watt slim under the seat car subwoofer kit. It includes everything that you will need to install this subwoofer onto the car. Let's unbox it and let's see what comes inside. Inside the box, we're gonna find the slim subwoofer. This is a 10-inch, and you can easily put this under your seat or in the trunk or anywhere that you think that it's correct for you to install. The two inputs for the RCAs, the input for the power, the ground, and the control. It also includes all the hardware for you to be able to anchor it to your vehicle. It also includes the wiring for you to connect it to your stereo. It also includes a high and low level input that's compatible with most of the different stereo audio systems, and it comes with automatic turn-on technology with adjustable input sensibility, thermal protection, and overload protection. Now let's get it installed in our vehicle. All right guys, so we're already finished installing our subwoofer to the car. I'm going to show you the couple steps that you're going to need to do in order to get this installed. First, you're going to need to make sure that you get a power source. Okay, make sure that there's a fuse, and there's also a fuse included within this kit. Okay, so that way you can go ahead and run your power wire. The way that I run my wires is I had to remove this panel right here, and I had to go all the way down to my stereo right here. Okay, then I run the wires all the way through this part right here and run them all the way through over here. We can see our wiring right here. Okay, you have to also get a ground, so make sure that you have a safe ground. And finally, this is our installation. You have to make sure that you run, all the wires. This is the gain control module for your bass. This is for your left and right for your subwoofer. This is the power wire that comes from our power source. This is our ground, and this is our remote. The remote wire is used whenever you want your subwoofer to actually turn on. Whenever you turn on your vehicle, then you install our remote. Now, this is not needed, but you can also install it this way. As you can tell, our car subwoofer is already installed and working. You can tell right here there's a green light. This means that there's power to the subwoofer, and also there's a ground protection right here. Once it's correctly wired, it's going to light up like this. The installation is super simple. You're going to run all these wires to your stereo, and you're going to be able to actually play your favorite music with a bass. This subwoofer actually sounds amazing. It's an 800 watt full of power. I hope that the information in this video was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.